Hey, good morning everyone. Kay here on my homestead in Tennessee. It's Saturday morning and Thursday we wrapped up the lower garden. Now I have about 5 pepper plants and I'm just going to let them freeze. I'm going to let them go until they freeze because they're still producing, and there's at least 100 orange Thai peppers down there. I had help for 4 hours and we had to really focus on getting the job done. No time to film, so as soon as we got done down here, I took some shots of what's left in the lower garden. And it's amazing, even at the end of October, zinnias are still blooming and cover crops are growing, and I've got tons of loofah yet to ripen, as well as peppers. So the entire garden, except for those items, and the artichoke, amazing. The artichoke just decided to grow here in September. This is the artichoke that I saved from last year. So we'll see. I don't think there's time to put up a flower stalk, but it's just encouraging that it made it through the winter last winter, so we'll see. So I just took a few shots after Randy went up to start on the side garden. Wanted to show you what it looked like, so take a look. I just remember when I was in my California garden, never having enough space, and just imagining what I would do if I did have space. But you know, just because you have space doesn't mean you have perfect conditions for gardening. And I see gardeners on YouTube that have fabulous hoop houses, and they have nice flat space to put a hoop house and gardens, and I just have to work with what I have on a hillside, and no place flat to put anything. And I did some flattening for the terraces, but you know, if you scrape into the hillside, then you've got to add more soil back, because this is all rock, okay? I'm living on a rock, basically, limestone. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. As for the side garden, we harvested all the sweet potatoes. Take a look. And for whatever reason, there was no vole damage up here. A lot of vole damage down there. And my friend Daryl, at his garden, he didn't get a single sweet potato. They all went to the voles. So I have to supply him with some, because I have quite a few sweet potatoes. And his dog gets the ones that are chewed on by voles, because he's going to cut off the good parts and dehydrate that for his doggy treats. Have you tried that? That's what he's going to be doing for Petey. So we have more to do in a lot of areas. The flower garden I just abandoned when I didn't get any more help. We just couldn't even walk in there, and there was too much else to do. So be careful what you take on, especially if you're alone. You're going to be hiring someone, and you know, to get somebody that knows anything about gardening, you know, it's going to cost you money to get help to do the help you need, to get the help you need. So just keep that in mind. Many people have reminded me that I shouldn't take on so much. And of course, I was just so cramped in that little garden in California that once I got here, it's just expansion was all. I mean, I'm going, oh, what can I put here? What can I put here? But guess what? Deer. You know, are you going to spend $20,000 to put a fence around the whole thing? No. So that's all she wrote for this garden down here this year, and I hope you really enjoyed seeing the progression from nothing to covered in hay. It's all seeded with cover crop. I did a mixture this year, got seeds from Territorial Seed, and as I did the last couple of years, and mixed it all up. And the only thing left to do down here is I'm going to plant my garlic. I'm just waiting for a little bit, you know, closer to a rainy day, and then I'll get my garlic in. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.